In this video, I'm going to teach you how to equip emotes in Something Evil Will Happen. So, Something Evil Will Happen is actually a game created right now. So, it's actually trending, so you can head over and then just play that. If you want to actually add those emotes, like for example, we have in here this follow me emotes, point at, as well as a lot of emotes right here that you can actually utilize. You can see that there's actually some new emotes right now, and there's a lot of them into this list. If you want to create specific emotes, what you can do is you can just head over and click on the B key on your PC or smiley face button on mobile. So player can actually equip up to 6 different emotes on the wheel or up to 12 by purchasing the times 2 emotes game pass. So emotes can be traversal, which means the players can walk while performing them, or it can be duo as well, which means you need to have 2 players in syncs. So in total there are actually 70 emotes, and you can just head over and then select which of these 6 you want to actually get. So that's how you equip emotes and something evil will happen. Hope we help.